Supply shortages and the impact of rising fuel prices are among the concerns hounding the local traders of imported goods from the BIMP East ASEAN Growth Area. Now Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi are feeling the impact of this double burden. RJ Rosalado has the story.
Malaysian products have become a staple in Zamboanga City. This rolling store, which sells empanada, has been using Malaysian cooking oil since it started operations, mainly because it is more affordable and can compete with other known brands in terms of quality.
Bakit Malaysia na yung gamit? Mas mura po ba? Or mas mura siguro, sir. Ay, yung boss rin namin bumibili.
The influx of Malaysian products in Zamboanga City's market is a result of the BIMP IAGA, or the Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines East ASEAN Growth Area. This sub-regional economic cooperation aims to boost trade and investment in remote and less developed areas of the four member countries, including the southern Philippines. However, local traders of these imported goods have raised grave concern over disruptions in their supply. They say shipments from Malaysia have been halted following the suspension of operations of Allison shipping lines after the sinking of MV Tricia Corsin 3 in January. Allison is the only shipping line operating cargo vessels along the Sandakan, Malaysia to Zamboanga City and Basulta routes.
Ang kailangan namin talaga, yung meron talaga mga cargos, may magbiyahe talaga papunta, makuha yung container, 45 containers namin nandun sa Malaysia, Sandakan. Sa ngayon, almost 90 days na siya stranded down, hindi pa nakukuha yung mga karga namin.
Aside from supply shortages, local traders are also feeling the impact of rising fuel prices. With higher transportation costs, retailers are now forced to increase prices of imported goods, resulting in fewer customers.
Actually kasi sir, yung presyo ngayon sir is nag-increase talaga sir. Dahil sa walang alison na wala kami na source na para mapadala namin ng stock.
Local economies in Basilan, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi are now being affected by this double burden of supply shortages and rising fuel prices. The BIMP IAGA Business Council is calling for the national government intervention to help ease the situation in these struggling areas.
We actually have heard from the traders that they've also appealed to DTI, to the Senate na rin daw. It already reached the Senate because it's an urgent matter na talaga, especially in Zamboanga City. Even in Basulta areas, kasi in Holo, apparently all goods there are very expensive na. Sobrang taas na talaga. Tapos they only have yung limited also yung transportation doon.
Smaller cargo vessels are currently being used to transport goods from the BIMP IAGA region. However, these are not enough to meet the growing demand in the Basulta area and the Zamboanga Peninsula. RJ Rosalado, Billionaire News Channel.